Minimalize your home. Minimalize your stress. Have you ever noticed that sometimes you experience more stress when you're at home? A little dread of maybe just more things you have to do, waiting just inside the door? Today, we're diving into the reasons why your house might feel stressful. While clutter is a common culprit, there are many other factors at play. In this video, we'll explore various sources of home-related stress and offer practical tips to transform your living space into a relaxing sanctuary. 1. Reassessing our relationship with possessions. Often, we underestimate the burden that excessive possessions can place on us. While some items genuinely enhance our lives, many others only weigh us down. Shifting our mindset to recognize that not everything we own is a necessity can help alleviate stress. Embracing a more minimalist approach and decluttering can free us from the unnecessary burden of belongings. 2. Finding the right size. Living in a space that is too small or too large can contribute to stress. While cramped quarters lead to constant discomfort, larger homes can foster a sense of isolation and require excessive upkeep. Often the more room you have, the greater the likelihood of it rapidly filling up with things we will deal with later. Striking the right balance in terms of space can significantly impact stress levels. 3. Start by clearing useful surfaces. Cluttered countertops, piled-up tables, and overfilled desks create stress by limiting functional space. Maintaining clear and accessible surfaces not only enhances your ability to work and relax but also reduces the visual chaos that can contribute to stress. In kitchens, consider a hanging rack for all your cooking utensils to get them off counters and filling drawers. 4. Respecting container limits. Go through your home storage spaces once a year. Just as containers have physical boundaries, our living spaces also have limits. Overfilling closets, drawers, and storage areas can make it difficult to find what we need and create an atmosphere of disorder. Distributing items appropriately and respecting the capacity of our storage areas can reduce stress. Going through your storage spaces once a year and filtering out that must keep from the "why do I still have this?" will keep clutter to a minimum. Have a yard sale and reward yourself with the proceeds with a pizza night or family barbecue. 5. Setting expectations for tidiness. Do it once. A lack of clarity regarding how tidy our homes should be can lead to accumulating messes. Establishing an achievable degree of tidiness helps prevent a gradual slide into chaos, fostering a sense of control and reducing stress. The principle of "do it once" kicks in here: clean as you go. Make it easy with separate hampers for laundry for whites and colors, a bucket of cleaning products for showers, sinks, glass and mirrors in kitchens and bathrooms for quick cleaning. 6. Providing a place for everything. This can be a tough one, but after a while it becomes instinctive, and ties in with "do it once" idea. Items without designated spaces contribute to clutter and stress. Allocating specific areas for belongings and enforcing the practice of returning items to their rightful places minimizes visual clutter and eliminates the frustration of not being able to locate things. 7. Minimizing visual stimulation. Your home does not need to be a static museum to minimalize clutter. An excess of decorations and objects can overwhelm our senses, leading to heightened stress levels, but you also don't need to make it a sterile environment devoid of decorations. By curating displays and rotating decorative items, we can create a more visually calming environment. This is something galleries and museums do on a regular basis. Often less than 20% of what they have in inventory is on display. Items are rotated on and off display for cleaning, repair, or even sold to make room for higher quality items. 8. Efficiently utilizing storage areas. Re-examine the need for extra storage space. While storage is essential, having too many storage spaces can encourage excessive accumulation. Working in the antique business, I often attended auction sales at storage units, and contrary to many popular shows, they are not filled with high-value collectibles, antiques, or cash stuffed in the backs of picture frames. The vast majority are filled with items considered too junky and useless by their owners to keep in the garage or basement at home. Chances are very good if you have any possessions you haven't used in 2 years, it's unlikely you ever will. So, if you have a storage unit, and can't remember the last time you actually had to get something out of it, consider adding the items in it to your yard sale, item 4 on our list. The money saved on the storage fees, generally over $100 a month these days for 10 by 10 unit, could be put toward credit card, mortgage, or car payments. 9. Addressing maintenance and care. Time for a new one. Possessions that demand constant maintenance or care can amplify stress. Evaluating the practicality of items that require ongoing attention and streamlining our belongings can reduce the strain of upkeep. Consider replacing appliances or downsizing them when they become damaged or don't function at their best. 10. Focusing on delights, not burdens. Rather than fixating solely on the financial and practical responsibilities of home ownership, taking time to appreciate the joys and comforts that your home provides can counterbalance stress and foster a sense of gratitude. Your home should be a place of respite, a sanctuary from the demands of the outside world, ready to share with friends and family without a frantic cleanup. I think we have all been there. By reassessing our possessions, optimizing our living space, and adopting mindful practices, we can transform our homes into peaceful havens that nurture well-being and relaxation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. As always, stay curious, breathe deep and enjoy each day.